crafty friends, this is Lisette with My Crafty Space, and today I'm going to record a super basic intro video with the Cameo 4 because Christmas is coming and I know that so many of you are going to get amazing cutting machines for Christmas, or you have recently gotten one and you're trying to, make some things for Christmas. And one of the most common questions that I see pop up in different Facebook groups and things like that is, how do I load my cutting mat? Or it's not loading correctly, or I can't figure out which mark to use. And so I'm gonna flip the camera around and just show you really quick. It's super simple. Okay, so what we're looking at here is a close-up of my Cameo 4. This is the carriage and this is the roller bar. So if you look over onto the side, just over here, this little knob, when you press it down, lifts up your roller bar and you're able to move some of these rollers. I'm not going to talk about today what we would do with that, but that is what this little bar does here. So you always want to make sure it's in the upright position and that your roller bar is flat. It should be flush against the bottom of the Cameo. If your bar is down, you are not going to be able to feed your mat, and that is another tip that I always see that sometimes people don't realize is why their mat is not feeding correctly. So you are going to line up your mat with this gray line, not this white one here, because a lot of times that also will cause the misalignment. You're going to line it up with the gray bar, with the gray line. You're gonna just push your mat right up against the rollers and you're just going to hit your feed button. That will bring in your mat, align it perfectly. And you can see this one is lined up perfectly along this edge of the mat, and this roller is aligned perfectly along this edge. So I hope that helps. We did it in less than 5 minutes, and if you have any questions, drop me a comment below and I will do my best to answer the questions for you. Thanks so much. Hope you enjoyed this very simple 101 tutorial, and I hope you have a great day. Happy crafting.